What is the length of the third side in the red triangle? Round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So here we have the red triangle, triangle ABD, and we already know the side lengths of BD is 8, and the side length of AB is 10. So we're trying to find the length of that third side here, which is the segment of AD. So if we look at our right triangle, that is going to be one of the legs of the triangles. Let's call that leg A. So then the other leg is 8, so let's call that B. And the hypotenuse, the side across from the right angle, is 10, so we can call that C. Now, because it's a right triangle, if we're trying to solve for one of the missing sides, which happens to be the missing leg, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to help us. We also could use Pythagorean triples as well. One might be easier than the other. We can use the Pythagorean triple here if you can recognize that this is actually a multiple of the 3, 4, 5 triangle. Because we have our value of 10, that hypotenuse is actually 2 times 5. And we have the other leg of B, 8, is equal to 2 times 4. So A, that first leg, would equal something that is 2 times 3, because here you have your Pythagorean triple of 3, 4, 5. Well, what is 2 times 3? It would be 6. So we would automatically know that A equals 6 because it's 2 times 3 from the Pythagorean triple of 3, 4, 5. This is the Pythagorean triple of 6, 8, 10. Now, if you didn't recognize Pythagorean triples, maybe you forgot about them or you don't recognize them as easily, you can always still fall back to the Pythagorean theorem equation, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We would be solving for a in a squared, but we know that b squared is 8 squared and c squared is 10 squared. So now we can solve for a. We'll actually take this squared, so 8 squared is 64. And 10 squared is 100. We'll subtract 64 from both sides, which gives us that a squared equals 36. And taking the square root of both sides, we do get that a equals 6. It is confirming what we knew about the Pythagorean triple in the Pythagorean theorem. Either way, we're getting that a equals 6. So that third side in the red triangle is 6 centimeters, making our answer choice B.